Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to find the hidden chats on your Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now to find the hidden chats on your Viber from your phone, first open the app itself. And after you have opened the app, you can see there is the magnifying glass icon or the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there. And before we dive right into the hidden chats process, guys, do make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. And with that being said, in order to find the chats, guys, you were asked or requested to assign a code in order to hide your chats on Viber. For example, let's go back and see. Let's hide a chat of mine, and to do that, let's tap and hold on the chat, and there is the hide chat button. Let's tap on the hide chat, and you can see, guys, it's asking me for a code in order to hide the chat so that we can access it later. With that being said, let's assign the code, and you can see, guys, the chat has been hidden. Now in order to find it, let's tap on the magnifying glass or the search icon again, and over there let's enter the code which we had used to hide our chats on the Viber. And you can see, guys, I had used this code just now to hide a chat of mine in order to show you guys how to hide. And when we had entered or typed the code on the search bar, the hidden chats has been appeared or revealed to us. Again, let's do that. Let's go back and let's go to the chat section and let's enter the code again. And you can see, guys, when we enter the wrong code, it doesn't show us anything, and when we put in the right code, there are the three contacts I had hidden from my Viber. And you can see there is the eye icon and the cross to it, which means the chat has been hidden. And there, guys, this is how you find the hidden chats on your Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.